Good Sunday morning. Happy New Year's, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. And now let's get into it. And today it's gonna be a very interesting vehicle video because we are left with some choices though. A few choices, but at least one is the start of getting another vehicle as far as for a work car. Maybe this probably shouldn't be used as a work car, but I gotta check something because I have a chance to purchase it and I have a chance to what is that? I'm all over the place. Sorry, it has been a minute, but yeah, so we could just wait to get the ultimate prize, or we could upgrade our work vehicle into something different. And I'm gonna show you what it is. Now for that co-star of that Honda Civic, the Hondeezy Super Veloce. All right, here we go. Oh, look like you had a hard time starting today. Nah, not really. That was still like one key term, but it's so cold out here at like 20 degrees. Let's give it like a little bit of time to warm up. I'm gonna throw this stuff in the back and I'll be right back after these messages. Ooh, it is bright as a mamma jamma though, but as far as car as for choice, I'm like, these are not going for too much on the marketplace, well, at least like I said, on the marketplace. On the dealer, they're gonna, you know, hit you with that good old interest and you paying like 15 to 20 for a car that has well over 100,000 miles. But yeah, so this is the only hint that you'll get. The only hint that you will get. But like I said, might be good for a all year round work car. Based on the fact that it's all-wheel drive though, but y'all might have a hint or a guess of what it is. But let's hurry up and get over there because we gotta take it to the shop and see what it needs. But yeah, you'll see it. Alright, we have finally arrived to the car, but whoever had it before, like they hooked it up a little bit. They changed some things though, but let me get to it. And yes, I'm taking a screw to unscrew the door. Yeah, this work car it's been through some stuff though. But without further ado, let me show you what it is. Alright, here we go. We're finally here. I gotta be careful when we blowing this door open like crazy, and we're gonna give it a nice cold start. So here we are, a 2012 Audi A4. We got the ducktail done. We have a front lip that's been added, and we have a front bumper that has been modified. Well, not too much. I think this is still a stock bumper. It's just the lip has been added and this grill has been modified. There was a two-piece grill that used to be here, and now they turned it into a full mesh. But now remote control mirrors, I thought they were, but it's fine. This is like the equivalent of your 3 Series. But like I said, not bad for maybe a potential work car, but this does have some engine stuff though. But since I'm able to get it for almost Jack Daniels, we might as well see what we can do. Yeah, check engine light is on. There's a couple of other things that's going on with this. Overall, I mean, transmission is fine. Everything else is fine. I took it to the shop last night. We got to go again one more time. Have like extra apparatuses like right here going on. We're just gonna let this warm up just a little bit. I'm gonna put the Hondeezy right here so we can hold this spot, and we are pretty much good to go though. But other than that, so it's alright. Just didn't realize how small the A4 was. But yeah, let's let this warm up a little bit, and then we can definitely go to the shop. Flash and check engine light. Yeah, that's something that we do not like. Yeah, but we're just going to get it to the shop, see what they say, and then that's about it. It may need a new motor, I don't know, but let's see, since you're getting this for almost virtually nothing. All right, there we go. Well, not bad at all. It's just that we have a little bit of a shake and bake thing going on here. And I don't know what is that in the street, but I'm around on this side. Look like it's a frozen cardboard box. It's smooth, but the only thing, like I said, is just the constant shakes, and I think there's a multi-misfire or something like that that's going on. I'm not sure if I mentioned this earlier, but they saying that it could be an electrical type of problem. It could be. I mean, not that it's 100%. Yeah, so far so good. As long as we don't have a flashing check engine light, then it's real bad though. But let's see what they say. I'm just curious though, cause as far for an engine replacement, I think he's on for the job was $2,000. I thought it would have been more than that, but that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So let's see what they say. As long as the job doesn't cost more than what you pay for the car, like over exceeding amount, like you pay like $5 grand, then you gotta spend like another $5 grand. We don't want that, man. But so far, I said it's alright. Not too many lights on the dash though. Besides the check engine light, there was another one. I think I might know what it is. It's called almost that EPC. So I think that's electronic parking brake component, or something like that. And then the other one is tire pressure, which is that's easily rectified. That could be fixed. But other than that, that's pretty much about it though. And I like this camera that's installed in here though. Probably talks a little bit too much though. Has your miles per hour, I guess your target points. I'm not sure if it's getting it too well, but it's a nice cool feature. We're almost there. Man, thank God the car warmed up a bit. Man, I was freezing my cheeks off.
A few moments later.
Alright, 9,000 years later, now that we have made it to the shop, let's see what they say. I think he just got to run a diagnostic on it, and then once they say what they say, we'll find out. Yeah, I think I put that too low. Alright, let's get out there real quick. Alright, so it is in the shop right now. So we're gonna see what this thing needs. Oh yeah, I am curious what this thing needs though. Flash and check engine light sometimes, but I mean it comes and goes. Still needs a. Nah, it is open. I pulled it. Hold on 1 second. Alright, we finally got it open. Rats was chilling up in here. I gotta start the car again. Let's see what it's gonna say. And we need, what's that, WD-40? Alright, cool. Started. He's cleaning the other stuff up. My background is crazy right now, but oh snap. Forgot this daggone glove box moved like crazy. And now the EPC is not going no more. Funny. The EPC just vanished. I don't even know what the hell happened. So here we are, looking at some stuff. Timing chain is back here. But something is making it shake. Alright. Something. So I'm not an expert on these things though, but when they took it to the dealer, that's what they was talking about though. It's my first time actually seeing the inside of an A4. Probably need some oil too, because the car didn't have an oil change in a while too. Sound like the chain. I could be wrong. Alright, so they try to save it. Oh crap. Oh crap. It's so small up in here, so here we go. And so he tried to save it a few times though. We dig the ignition coils and everything though, but the engine, from what I was told, I don't know if it can be saved. And had this situation before though, and the Nissan Murano, but I'm about to explain though. But I mean, it worked a little bit better with the spark plugs, but I'm gonna get into it just a little bit once I get into the car and go somewhere where it's a little bit more quiet. But other than that, though, yeah, I'm not sure. All right, so this was a lesson learned from having the Nissan Murano. Is like when the car is definitely misfiring. Like it's never good to drive on a car that has a misfire, because whenever you have those situations going on, it is that after a while you keep driving on it though, then you'll end up losing compression. So alright, so we have a situation where like in cylinder 2 in the A4 that it's misfiring. So from the misfiring, like there's no compression at all. I'm familiar with this because it's happened in other cars, like I said from before. So the only thing now, one more thing, because like I said, this car still might be worth saving if we get like another motor put in there. So that's what I'm about to find out now. But that is the situation, what's going on with this thing. Still could be a good work car as long as I don't gotta put like at least like $6,000-7,000, just to get that motor in there. So we'll see what happens though. Alright, so now we are back on the block, and I gotta hurry up and do this quick though. So as far as with the engine, yeah, it's pretty much done. And in order for you to put another engine in here, you gotta pay for like, let me see, at least, well, for a good one that has super duper ultra mega low miles, they want like $6,000 to $7,000. You probably could find one that's a little bit cheaper. Is the car like worth saving? Maybe, possibly. But I think you can get that engine just a little bit cheaper though. But it's crazy because the thing about it is that the A4 engine is more expensive than the A7's engine. Maybe because the turbos, I'm not sure, and they probably got to do all the computer work to sync that stuff together. I don't know everything about that too well. But other than that, like, it's decisions. Oh yeah, let me show you the outside of the car one more time.
The next day.
Alright, I'm back. I didn't want to just end it like that, and my hat looks ridiculous. I'm trying to put it over the other one, but it's not staying. I'm just going to just leave it because I'm always on the job because I have no life. As always, I'm not going to stretch this outro any longer, but y'all seen the outside of the car. It does look dirty, so it needs some washing. But other than that, decisions, I don't know, because I think I could get that motor cheaper than more than what the car is worth though. I honestly believe I could find it cheaper though, at least a decent one though. But other than that, maybe I think I might take it for the amount that I'm getting it for. It's gonna cost me absolutely nothing, and overall the car is it's fine, so might end up taking it though. But without further ado, like, comment, and subscribe, and keep those post notifications on so you don't miss a beat. And I will definitely be pumping out some more content. I've just been super duper ultra mega busy trying to say that 3 times fast now. Then again, don't. And I will definitely catch y'all in the next one, and we out.